Right, welcome critical thinkers. So we have a question on the board to tackle from site. This one says, in a youth club with 94 members, 60 like modern music and 50 like traditional music. The number of members who like both traditional and modern music is three times those that do not like any type of music. Now, how many members like only one type of music? Great then. In a youth club of 94 members, that means first info here that universal set is equal to what? 94. 60 like modern music and 50 like traditional music. Let's uh, equals those that like modern music, modern, um, and then T equals those that like traditional music. Now they said 60 like modern music. That means number of is equal to what? 60. And then 50 like traditional music. Number of T traditional music equals what? 50. Now the number of members who like both traditional and modern music is three times those that do not like any type of music. First of all, we do not know the number that do not like any type of music. Not to talk of getting the one that is three times this. So our next focus now is to know the number of those that do not like any. And the number of those that do not like any is just like those that are in that rectangular box, but they don't belong to those that like modern or traditional music. That means their number of M union T prime. M union T is addition of those that like modern music plus those that like traditional music. Then their prime, that means complement, those that do not belong to this group. That is those that are outside, and which is here. This is what they say here. Those that do not like any type of music. And now let's just denote it as what? X, because we do not know. And now they are telling us that the number of members who like both traditional and modern is three times this. That means number of M intersection T is equal to three times this. That is three times X. This is X, then three times it is this. Now let's draw the Venn diagram. This one and this one. Now this is modern music and this is traditional music and this is the universal set. And then outside here, those that are outside, which is this, that is number of M union T prime is equals what? X. And then those that are here, number of M intersection T, the state is what? 3x, right? Of course, this one we don't already the number, which is here, 60. And this one is 50. So number of you, which is the universal set, is equal to number of modern music plus number of traditional music minus number of modern music intersection traditional music, then plus number of those that are not in any of the music. That means number of M union T or prime. The universal service number of M is equals to what? 94 is equal to number of M modern music is 60. Then plus number of traditional music is what? 50 minus number of the intersection is 3x plus number of those that are outside is what? X. And now we have 94 equals 60 plus 50 is 110. Then minus 3x plus x, that is minus 2x. So this is the same thing as 2x is equal to 110 minus 94. We got this on this side and then this on the other side. So we have that 2x is equal to 110 minus 94. That is 16, right? Yeah, yeah, 16. This implies that x now is equal to 16 divided by 2, and which is equal to what? 8. So that means here is equal to 8. Now, coming to this, to the question back, we're asked to get how many members like only one type of music. But here, we were not told whether it is modern music or traditional music. It just tell us to get how many members like only one type of music. What it means is that you will get number of those that like only modern music, and then get number of those that like only traditional music, and then add them together. Now, number of those that like modern music alone is given as n of m intersection t prime, and which is equal to number of that m minus number of m intersection t. So here is equal to number of the whole of this minus number of this intersection. And then which is equal to the whole of this, the number is what? 60, which is here. Now the intersection is 3x minus 3x, and x is 8 already. So it's 3 times 8. And this is equal to what? So this is equal to 60 minus 3 times 8 is 24 minus 24. And that gives us 6. That gives us 3, 6, 36, right? Now, let's get the number that like traditional music alone. Then, number of m prime intersection t, that means number of those that like traditional music alone, is equal to number of t, traditional music, which is here, which is the whole of this, sorry, then minus number of m intersection t, which is this point. And that is equal to number of t is 50 minus the intersection, which is 3 times 8, which we've gotten as 24. Right? Now, this is equal to 50 minus 24. That is 26. 10 minus 4, that is 6. 4 minus, that is 26. Right? Now, how many members like only one music? Therefore, we add this plus this. Therefore, number that like only one music is equal to 36 plus 26. And that is equal to what? 62. Yeah, 62. So this is it. Okay. See you next time.